This is your last training sessions before the game against mbere of South Sudan. This Friday. How are the boys responding and how are you ready for the game tomorrow?
Yes, our preparation going as usual. Day before the game. It's now 48 hours after the last match, and it's critical time for the players because they are now in this moment more tired than yesterday. But with this training, speed training, we will pass these things, and I think that tomorrow, for sure, they will give their best and be well prepared for the game. With some strategy, of course, with some introduction what they have to do, and that we'll have a good response. And I don't think too much about opponent team, just what we have to do and perform tomorrow. It's all the time everything depend about us.
Okay. So any knowledge about the opponent tomorrow?
Yes, we saw them. Before 2 days, before our match, when we entered to the Azam Stadium, we saw second half, and it's physically a very good team. They are much taller than we are. Actually, they are in three in the back line with maybe 1.9, and two attackers also. Very strong physically team. But we have to try to play our game and try to achieve our target. That means that tomorrow we have to be intelligent, play one discipline match, and at the end we will see.
So as you were preparing, of course, for the game tomorrow, the CAF Champions League preliminary draws were taking place, and we have to found out that you're playing against Azam of the same country we're in. What is your reaction about this draw?
I find out when we were in the car, the draw already happened, and that we got our next opponent. It will be Tanzania team Azam. Of course, that we have big respect for all those teams here, especially because I know that I play against them, Young Africa and Simba before, and Azam is also a club same level like Simba and Young Africa. Big respect, but this match is so far, and I don't want to think about this match yet. We have time to talk and speak about that and to prepare ourselves. Now our target is to be here next days and achieve why we are here and to speak about Sekafa tournament. But again, about Azam, big respect, big team, but we will try to face them and try to make a good result for us.
Thank you, coach.
Thank you.